Look at this. Look at this. I don't know when last I record a vlog. I paint over my car and thing. And I can't even record a vlog. This man wants to go to my house. Only teeth. Only teeth. Yeah, I don't know how to hold overview on the car and everything I do with it, but I will do that in the next video. I can't do that now. We're gonna get some food. And then we're going up North Coast. That the vibes. Hard start. Can't open for. Open the door. Open the door. Open the coke up. Oh, this man bring a whole cooler.
Take out that road boy from there, right?
Oh, are they fat tonight? Are they going to fat tonight? Boy. Nice. Nice. Andrew say, if you drink a 6-pack of shandy, he head bad tonight.
Let's just cook my fuck me up on it.
So how's your trip so far? Ready for next shandy?
You drink none yet?
I drink nothing.
You drink coke?
Come off your phone, right? Right, Chuso? Some cabin sponsored by the dogs and fast car. Well, fast-ish. That is fast car. Black car is fast. So this, them two cars dead. Not that they dead. I mean, using this camera, you know what? Oh shit.
And it goes like this. We'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lay on the backseat.
That bad. That will go all there. Who give him that?
0.9.
Go Very good. Yeah. That looks it. Take off the hat, man. That's him. Let's see. Let's see conduct. Let's see. Let's see. Two of them never come up. That's how people are. Foreign guys. But you know, you look like a real white boy. You can't go in jail. I'll go deal with you.
The difference is they don't give you money, they take your money.
Anything for the shot, Watch out. Belinda hand. Watch out. Oh, yes. Put yourself there. Go wet yourself there. So tiny now, man. A little big guy and a big little guy. 1 o'clock in the morning now, yeah. 1 o'clock in the morning. Are they playing Uno in Maracas? On the Alicia. We did it. We really did it this time, guys. I don't know.
Oh, you gotta choose a color?
Yeah.
He had to choose the color.
You had to choose the color. Pull, pull. Yeah, pull. The old dog, pull. You're minding a farm there, boy. You're minding a farm there, boy. Way. How much are they? About 20? Hey, best we start over, yes?
Have enough. Don't worry, have enough.
Dog, what the fuck?
We're looking for it.
I ran by. You ain't short shot for nothing.
Way! Wow! Wow, that's crazy.
One of them fucking game.
Dog,
One of
way! Wow.
Jesus, oh my.
Wow.
Where's this one?
Wow.
Right. So once it's more than 25, that's right out the game, right?
Nah, he playing by that rule.
No, we play by that rule. We play by that rule.
Pick up your 46.
Pick up the whole pack, boy.
Nah, I pick up your 40.
Thirty-one, 34, 35, 36.
38, 39, 40, 41. Okay. Yeah, man.
46.
That's 46, huh?
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46.
Wow!
Yeah.
Well, I had the whole pack in my hand. Sean have a whole next pack in his. Brother, how much cards you have? Let's see.
Nah, not much.
I can deal with you, then you and your Shandy. I can deal with you.
About 20 something.
Yeah.